Hi there and welcome back. So today I'm going to do a flip through of this Folio Lapbook, which was inspired by a project that Tina did at Shabbydabbydoodah, and it's also a guest design team project for Tina, and it's using Tina's kits. So the kits that I've used are the Time Traveller, Ephemera, Letters and Lace, and Victorian street names. They will be in the description. I will also put the playlist to the whole folio in the description as well, because I did break halfway through the series when I wasn't very well, so you know, you might not have caught all of it. So let's measure. So it is 10 inches, which is 25.5 centimetres by about 6.5, which is about 16.5 centimetres. It's quite a chunky. There isn't a journal in it. It is just a folio, not just a folio, but yeah, there's quite a lot in it. So I've got the papers on the front. I think, oh, this was wrapping paper that I used, and then I've done some collage bits with some ephemera, no, some embellishment pieces from the kits. I've got this little embellishment here that I made, and I did that in the Tim Holtz series. So it's just some vellum with some bits of fibres on, and a safety pin and a little charm. We've got one of the number brads there, which is a Tim Holtz one. Got this Tim Holtz photo of this happy, oh, I don't know if it's a happy chappy or not. And I've collaged it onto this, which is some brown paper and some tea bag and some bits of kit paper, and it's not a serviette, is it? I forget what they're called. And then I've just done a little snippety type thing there. So I've got this lovely machine ruffled edging, which is, I think this is the baby blanket edging. And then I've got some fluffy trims coming down here. And then there's this little rosette, which I did with a wax seal. And it's got some bits and like a snippet behind it, and then these little tails. So that's that. I don't think there's anything on the back, just the lovely paper, which again, it is the wrapping paper, and it's just tied with some black seam binding. So let's open it up and have a look. So we'll get onto this. So I'm going to go this side first. I don't know why. So that opens like so. And we've got this vellum envelope here with some washi tape down the side. I've stamped on the vellum envelope. And then this is, the black is from a chocolate box. And it, you know, it's spongy. And this is a piece from the kit, and I've just added some other pieces on it just to give it a bit of dimension. Then we've got a journal card in here with a tab on, what I've stamped on. So yeah, that fits in there. And then on the back, the same. It's got the chocolate packaging, and a butterfly, what I added onto it from the kit, and then again stamping and the washi. Then we've got this side tuck. So I got some of the papers and I printed them on card and then cut round them, and I've added some, not that, some other bits again to give it some dimension, and I've just put these cards in, and these are from Victoria Designs. So lots of writing. What I wanted to do is put lots of cards in so they could be wrote on with it not having an actual journal with it. So this envelope goes over here, and I use that as a little side top. Just put some little pieces here from the kit, and then just put some journal cards from the kit. So they do they just slip in there. That's the page from the Letters and Lace kit. It's a lovely kit. Here is another envelope which I've covered, and then we've just got this little lacy band with a wax seal and some bits of material, and then we've got this journal card, and that's been stamped, and then we've just got a bit of washi down the bottom, so that goes in like so. Yep, and we turn it over, and we've got a pocket here. I made the pocket with the Letters and Lace, and then I've just stuck an embellishment from the kit, and we've got some plain pieces, and then we've got these two pieces which you can this is on sticky back tape. So you could use that as an embellishment. There was just what was left over. I'll show you what I used them for. So I popped those two in. So that's that. And then we've got this windy. Love this paper. Absolutely beautiful. This goes down at the top and the bottom. That's the Letters and Lace, and then I've just put in, I think there's 10 sheets here. So these, you know, there's another pad on the other side as well, but there's no actual journal in there. This you can undo, take the pages out, and all you've got to do is put 2 holes in, and you can put some more pages on there, so you won't feel like you couldn't write on it, because you know you can put any pages back into it. So that goes like so, and that goes over here like so, and then we've got this side, got 2 Tim Holtz brads which I've put the patina over the top to make them into a more brassy colour. This is the side of the envelope, and there's a gigantic journal card which you could write a story on there. So this flips over. This is one of the clusters that I made. And then in here we've got another one of the cards, just using paper from the kit, well, card from the kit. So that's that. Then we've got a little glassine envelope here, what flips, and we've got a material cluster, little embellishment here, and we've got that one that side and that one that side. So that's what I use that for, a little pocket. And I've got a journal card with some fluff in it, and I've got another journal card there. So lots and lots of journal cards. So that flips that way, and then again I did the same kind of thing, cut the paper out. I stuck that butterfly over the top and just made it into a top. So I've got that and that and that one. And then here I've put in a belly band, and this was like a snippet that I'd sewn, and it's got another journal card. So I think that is that side. Don't think I've missed any out. Sure that might be go better that way. That's it. Okay, so that's that side, and then we just turn it over, and then this is the back side. So we've got a triple pockets here, so a bit like a waterfall-ish. Just put some embellishments on there. These are printed vellum. I've stamped underneath, and then this is printed vellum. I think I did this on one of the Roxy challenges, so I really do like those. So that goes in there, and these two have got material tabs. Love that. And this one, yeah. And then at the back, there's, again, I've used that to make a belly band, and there's just some little postcardy bits in here what I've stamped, and that one. And this I made on the Trash It Tuesday, what we was doing, which I do want to start up again in the new year. The lovely Rita Jensen has still been carrying on doing the Trash It Tuesday. Thank you very much, Rita. I think she really enjoys doing it. So this is some vellum from Your Creative Studio, some Tim Holtz pieces of well, embellishments. This is a little tiny flip up notepad. There's a couple of sheets there, and that's a stamp again from Your Creative Studio. That's a little bit of writing space there, and then there's this side tug. I think I made this from like a birthday cake box or something. And then we've got 3 journal cards there, so they go in there. Just pop something there and there for a bit of decoration. Then on this side we've got another vellum, no, these are glassine, aren't they? Glassine envelope, and just put these pieces on, and we've got another journal card. Should have counted how many journal cards there was. A few more bits and bobs, and then put some pearls on there, and then a little pad here which has got a belly band, and you can take it out, and obviously you can refill it, and that's with Tim Holtz papers. I think I did that when I was using bits of Tim Holtz that I'd got left over, so that slides in like so. And here, this is just a bit of a collage. We've got one of the Tim Holtz paper dolls, butterflies, some pearls on, another one of those wax seals. Really do like those. And we've got a little snippet here with a watch charm. And then I made this out of envelopes. So we've got some bits and bobs tucked in here, what could be used as little journal cards. I think that's an opening. Yeah, there's an opening one. A little one for that. So that's that one. And then here we've got a massive journal, well, I suppose it's a tag. I've got another one of the clusters. And then this little dangle and Tim Holtz photo. So that is that, and that's made out of a paper bag which I've just covered over, and then pop that bit of lace on and a butterfly. And all these street ones are from that kit from Tina. So like I say, I will put all the links in the description and to the playlist if you wanted to catch up on this one. So I'm going to be popping this in the Etsy shop. By the time you see this video, it will have already gone up. So if it's not still there, then it's gone. So thank you very much, and thank you for watching the series, and I shall see you very soon. Bye for now.